No na.
Bakit you make yourself suffer? Try your pork.
What happened? Bo, marunong na.
I don't know how to use chopsticks because I stay in China.
Okay.
Char lang yan. I went there for 2 weeks.
Kita mo na magkakanong ka pa. Tada! Luto na yun?
It's very soft.
It's already luto. Saan siya sausaw?
Sausaw? It's already sausaw. It's already cooked with sausaw. Sausaw sauce?
Yeah, sure.
It's all cooked with sauce.
Yeah. Sige nga, kung makapurot. Of course. Sige, kayo mo yan.
Of course, jumpas.
Yeah. Oh, going. Oh! Tinidurin mo na lang.
Oh, I'm full.
You're full? Ako din. Pwede ito i-take out ma? Pagkain na natin ito
Hindi, balikan mo na lang mamaya pag nagpunta ka. Ay, hindi ito masarap. Hindi masarap.
Right?
Not...
Diyan mo lang yan.
It's like dry. It's not fried. It's like air fryer. Not oily.
That's why you're too much fried that. You want oil.
This one, good oil.
That's why you like it.
I think this is Korean crushed beans sauce. You want to try?
It is so much spicy.
How is your noodles? You like it? It looks like nut.
Si Grace, pwede ka kumain ng kanin.
Pwede mo naman yan iuwi na lang.
Nag-enjoy siya mag-chopstick kaya
She's eating noodles 1 piece by 1 piece.
Kaya maybe after 10 years, I can finish it.
You need 5 hours.
But their kimchi is really nice. Tastes good.
Para siyang
House made.
Remember the kimchi that you bring from Korea? It's just...
That was big bag, right? Don't you finish it?
Finish it all. I think 2 or 3 months. I think.
Almost the same taste as what the kimchi in Okada.
Where? China?
Tacloban.
Manila.
Oh.
The casino.
Oh.
Because when I went to China,
The hotel.
yeah, I stayed there with the Chinese. Nag-away naman ini. Oh,
I use the fork. See, Rose, she already used spoon even. Fast.
So,
Oh, it's good. Good job.
Yung mga buto-buto na mag-ano ka. Maglaga ka ng ano. May rice pa dito. Makaubos ka na ng rice?
Oh, that's right.
dati. Half.
Huh? Yeah, you need to finish.
Ask me if I finish rice, I said half.
The rice is good? Jasmine or?
Masubukan mo, masarap, sobrang anghang.
Ito?
Oh.
Sobrang anghang.
Marang? Dapat orange hindi siya nabigyan mo.
Yeah.
Oh, there is.
Butay naman. Ang gutay. Ang gutay lang. Kapag hindi ko pa yun.
How stomach?
Agi, sa bulat ibutang.
Like this only?
Tama lang.
You don't want to try that too?
Gusto mo? Ano? Panga?
Good.
This is the best.
This one's look like bulalo, right? Sharp. Oh, because there is charcoal.
Yeah, I forgot.
There's a charcoal and you put your phone there.
So it will be sharper. When the kids will come back to Tacloban today?
Tomorrow or in Sunday.
They have school?
Monday.
You need to put beef.
I'll give you one.
Which one? One?
Lagi daw lettuce na.
Lettuce, beef,
Masa lang ganda daw.
and kimchi.
I'll give you one. Kimchi.
Like that. You want more? I can order now.
More one.
Kimchi.
The most spicy actually.
Like this.
Masarap to dito.
Coleslaw. Coleslaw. Opa, coleslaw.
Mama.
Monster.
Ang nakabidyo ka?
Live? Huh? You're opening live. How many viewers? 5 million?
0 million.
Dapat pang ano mo, pang read.
Video mo na lang kasi 1 month lang na-delete yung ano.
Kung hindi ako nakagamit ng banyo, baka hindi ako nakakain. You know what's the problem?
What?
I feel sleep.
Huh?
Every time I eat, I directly want to sleep.
It's okay. I have rest in the car.
Oh. Patry ko to. Paano mo gamitin?
See the flying
Ah!
beef.
Tapos biglang malaglag.
Tapos mainit.
Sobrang init kaya.
Sad.
Yan yan. Hindi na mainit.
Lobi, इसमें इधर दो